Okay, so we had to replace all the plywood along the rake edge here, the gable. You can see all new plywood because they had it hanging over an inch. We had massive plywood rot. We removed the old shingles and paper. This is a re-roof. We added 3 lower vents to act as soffit venting. You can see there, just above the insulation line. The guys are cutting in the ridge vent now. And we had to replace all the plywood on this cable end as well. We're going to have to replace the fascia board on here too. It's rotting right out. So there's still some work to be done on this edge. This is why you have a professional do your roof and not do it yourself. It ends up costing you an arm and a leg. We're going to put a nice gable drip edge on this house too. Protect the plywood. This is formerly a cedar shake roof. Whoever did the plywood did a terrible job. They didn't nail it properly. They had all the plywood hanging over an inch around the perimeter. So here's the ridge vent. You guys are cutting out. It's a beautiful day here in Delta, BC. This house here is in Tsawwassen. There's a really nice yard there. See you in the next video.